Hi guys, this is Danny again. Now today we're going to talk about property investment calculator. I'm going to show you a few tools that I normally use and I highly recommend it to all of you if you are into property investment. Now the tools will range from calculating the monthly installment all the way to stamp duty, legal fees, etc. Stay tuned and watch the tools I'm going to share with you guys. Now the first tool is a financial calculator. This is available in the Google Play, available for Androids, but I'm not sure if it's available to iOS because I never used that before. Now all you have to do is to download from Google Play and then install it, and later on just run the app. There are many tools available in the financial calculators, but for now we just look into the loan calculator. Once you run it, tap into the loan calculator. I'm going to show you how the interface is. So once you open the loan calculator, you will see this interface, and then click on calculate value. Say for example I'm going to put 500k, and then I'm going to put 10% down payment. So loan amounts 450. The interest rate is going to be for 4.55, say for example 30 years. So this is the calculation that we have. Monthly payments is very quick. It's 2002 for 450,000 loan. So this is what you get. And then another thing is amortization. This is where you get the reducing how much, for example, down the road, how much you have been paying and how much you pay for the interest, and how much you pay for the principal, and how much is the balance for over the whole tenure of the 30 years. So this is a very quick the tool is very useful for you to have a very quick calculation of how much the installments you are expecting if you buy into any property. And the next one, which I think is good, is Malaysia Home Loan Property X app. So this app, basically when you key in all the information that you need, and then it will calculate for you the loan, the stamp duty, the loan legal fee, the valuations, and etc. So this is a app I find it very handy and I use it very often. Now this is a very simple app. Once you run it, you can see this interface. I'm gonna put somewhere around like 500k with the 90%. It's 450, and then these are the valuation fee, legal fees, and stamp duty. Everything is calculated for you. Okay, let's say if I put like maybe 670k, so it will comes out another calculation for you. So this is the reference that you can get on, say for example, if I buy commercial property 80% loan, so this is how much the legal fee I'm going to pay. So I hope you guys find this tool useful. To be honest, I don't get paid for this. It's just that I just want to share with you guys what kind of tools that I use to calculate my property investment. Same as always, if you like my video, please click like and subscribe, and please don't forget to share with the people that you know. Right, see you guys next time.